of you helped somebody or the other in the world, like a small help you did? Yes, Netra, can you tell me? Ah.
in the grass.
Mm.
He fall down.
Oh.
I get up, watch you.
Ah.
I go to the grass and I fall.
And you helped him. Clap hands for her, no? யாருக்காவது ஹெல்ப் பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா? யாருக்கு பண்ணிருக்கீங்க குட்டி? அவனுக்கு பண்ணிருக்கியா? என்ன ஹெல்ப் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க அவளுக்கு? ஆ. புக் கொடுத்தீங்களா? அப்படியா? கிளாப் பண்ணுங்க எல்லாரும் அவளுக்கு. ஓ, சிதா.
Ma'am, my grandfather want water.
You fetched
it and give my grandfather.
That's great. Lohit, what help you did to anybody? You gave rubber. Okay. Hari, what help you did? Oh, that's great. That's great. Ryan, what help you did recently?
In my old school, there will be a bad boy, and in the way of the toilet, everybody will hit it. One day, I saved.
Oh, that's great. What about you, Pranit?
Ma'am, I helped my friend in the Chennai, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
In the school, he was
The Chennai varanuma, Chennai varanuma. நவுனுக்கு முன்னாடி வரக்கூடாது சரியா சென்னை yes what help you did Pranath?
In my school my friend was running
and
he fall. I take him to the PT sir.
Oh, that's great.
Ma'am, when my mother got chicken pox in the hospital, I used to take water from home and deliver to her. Also when my grandmother fractured her bone, I was the one to give her the food and the water.
That's wonderful. Wonderful. Clap hands. Take care of your parents and grandparents. That's very good. What about you, Ma? Any small help you did, no? Always you help Papa, no? Your sister, no? What help you did recently? Ethan? என்ன ஹெல்ப் பண்ணீங்க நீங்க? ஞாபகம் இல்லையா? சரி, நிறைய ஹெல்ப் பண்றவங்களுக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்காதுல்லப்பா? Okay. What help you did, darling? Oh, that's good. Daniela, நீங்க என்ன ஹெல்ப் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க? இப்போ யாருக்காச்சும் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணீங்களா? சூப்பர். கிளாப் பண்ணுங்க அவளுக்கு. தண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்கா. வெயிட். ஓகே, நீங்க என்ன ஹெல்ப் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க?
I do help for my mother.
What is that?
I help to my mother to clean home.
Oh, clean home. That's good. What help you did?
School, one boy slept down. Step 8. He's not telling ma'am. I tell to ma'am.
So,
ma'am put bandage and he rested.
oh, he was asked to take rest. That's great. That's great. So you helped him with giving the bandage or helping him put the bandage. Oh, good.